Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a super cool sword. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Start by drawing the guard of the sword. Next, draw the blade. Add a few lines to give more detail to the blade. Then, draw the grip. After that, draw the pommel. Add some small details to the grip. Great! The sketch is done, now let's color it. Use blue to color the blade. Color the guard with yellow. Inside the pommel too. Use orange to color the pommel and the grip. Awesome! Our cool sword is finished. That was easy, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.